Do you have a dirty, filthy, disgusting keyboard like this? Gross. Well, stick around because I might just have something that will take care of it. If you are new to this channel and would like to stay up to date on the Amazon Fire devices and other product reviews, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon and choose all notifications. I'm going to be talking to you guys about this right here is the Vogma. It says V Monster from Vogma, and it is an amazing little unit. And we're going to talk about it right now. What's inside the box is this amazing unit right here. This is what you're going to use to clean your keyboards and a lot of other items around the house. Now, it's a little bit loud with the microphone, but I need to turn it on real quick to show you the LED screen. So you'll see that it does have an LED screen on here. It has these amazing little attachments right here. A couple of them have brushes. This one's almost like the one that attaches to the large vacuum cleaners. And you can get into those nooks and crannies like inside the keyboard, like I showed you earlier. Because everybody knows that our keyboards get really dirty. Well, not as dirty as that one, but that was an example. So this has, I'll explain what this one's for. There's a lot of great attachments. It comes with this really nice tote bag. So I'm going to go over some of the features as an alternative to compressed air. You know, the ones in the can you buy at the supermarket. It says the Vogma cordless air blower can be recharged and used repeatedly. The LED lights allow you to easily clean up dark corners, bringing great convenience to your cleaning. It's a great alternative to compressed air as a keyboard cleaner. You know, a lot of times when we buy those at the store, you know, the air is going to run out and then you throw it in the trash. It's useless. Actually recharges. And it does say within 3 to 4 hours, it will charge to a full 100% and you get 20 minutes of use out of it. Now, I have found over using it over the past week that using it to clean keyboards, I didn't realize that even though my keyboard here, it looks very clean, and not the one I showed you previously, this one, you can use it to blow out in between all the crevices and everything. 3-gear adjustable airflow settings, providing 1.86 to 2.65 ounce of blowing power, allows you to customize the airflow for different cleaning needs. And you know what, I'm not sure if they would suggest doing it for a tower, but my tower does have a glass side panel, and I can see a lot of dust gets in there. So sometimes it's good. I open it up, and I did open it and start to clean out. So I sometimes before was using a vacuum, but probably using a vacuum is not a great idea inside of a tower. Yeah, don't try that. Don't try that. That's not a good idea. Using the blower is probably a better idea. The electric air duster comes with a Type-C fast charging cable, which can fully charge the device within 3 to 4 hours. It's equipped with a built-in 6,000 megahertz battery, allowing for continuous operation for 20 minutes. And that's not bad. For these small jobs, you probably don't even need a full 20 minutes. The device also features a high-definition LED display screen, which I showed you, which allows you to view the remaining battery level and the wind gear. So it can go to all these, it can go to, I think it's 3 different speeds. And then, yes, it'll go to 1, 2, 3. It goes to 3 different speeds. And the versatility of it. The Vogma compressed air duster is equipped with 6 nozzles and 1 brush. It can clean dust and other impurities from electronic devices, computer keyboards, office desks, fans, windows, and vehicle interiors. You know, that's true. Inside the vehicle, you do get a lot of dust buildup and everything around maybe the console, maybe around the gear shift or something. And it also says it can be used for blowing charcoal for barbecues or inflating swimming rings, like those little rings. I probably wouldn't say one of the big giant things, but for those little rings that you use in the pool, of course. And for also the charcoal, that's a good idea. You don't want to be sticking your face down in the hot charcoal. That would not be a good idea. But this you can use with the attachment to blow air to get that moving and get that fire going. Yeah, don't stick your face in the charcoal. That's yeah, that's not good. It's lightweight and portable. The cordless air adjuster is easy to carry. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold and easy to carry around. I probably wouldn't put it in my purse, but maybe like an extra bag that you take with you in your car just in case you're going to need it for something. The battery is equipped with a temperature protection, the current protection, and a short circuit protection, ensuring the safety of the device throughout the charging process. So that would mean that the unit would shut off. It's not going to overcharge and it's not going to cause an issue. So it does have those protections as well. Great for homes, offices, and automobiles. This is a unit that I've been using all week. When it was sent to me, I've been using it all week, and I did charge it again for this review, and it's been really great for doing a lot of things around here. This is the one that I use every day, and it did clean it. It looks very nice. It's beautiful, and there was dust gets down inside the crevices, and that's why you could use this brush right here with the blower right here, or actually the one that I was using is this one. This is the one that I was using. This is the attachment I was using for this right here. This little attachment right here to get in the grooves and to blow all the dust out of here. This is the one I was using. So that's what I suggest. So this is a handy little unit. I love it. And you know what? I'm going to keep using it. And I'm going to actually go after my mom's keyboard. That would be great. She's probably going to want one as well. I'm not sure how much this weighs. It's a hefty little device. It's pretty hefty. But it has to be, though, to have that motor in there. It really does. But it's really as great. It has great ratings. It's something that I think a lot of people get a lot of use out of. I was just trying to look down here. It says it has 3 lithium-ion batteries that are already included, of course. Okay, it weighs 1.2 pounds. Okay, that's important to know. So it weighs 1.2 pounds. That's the heft in it, the heft. And sometimes that's what you need for a unit like this. So as you can see, I was showing some pictures and examples next to me about what this lovely unit does. And I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. More than you would an air compressor from a can from the supermarket. So you guys check it out. Take a look at what those canisters cost and compare it with something like this that you can charge and reuse over and over and over again. And even if your little job you're going to do takes 3 or 4 minutes, then you just put it back in its bag and then you're good to go the next time. It tells you the remaining battery power, like I said, which is great. So that's something that maybe a lot of people like to have. So I would check it out. So I'm going to put a link in the description to this lovely unit. It's from Vogma. And you know what? Check it out. If you guys have one, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, please check it out. And if you haven't already, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really boosts everything to help me think, you know what? Okay, let me do some more videos because I have been away for a while. But I'm back. I want to tell everybody to have a great day and be kind to others. Share a smile. You just might make someone's day.